So this is what happened when your rotor has been running like you've been burning on one side, or you get rails in your rotor. It damage your brake pad. So each time you go and you put it in your brake pad, and it's been looking like this. Your brake has been running on one side, or you have the uneven rotor on that side because of debris like dirt, sand, stone, based on how the weather is, where you are. If the rotor has been getting all of these grooves, you're gonna get your brake pad looking like this, and you gotta always have to change them. So what some people do, they go and they cut their rotor, right? So that's the best thing to get it done. Sometimes it don't necessarily mean that you should buy a new rotor, because your rotor is good and it's already been through the weather, like heat, all the heat and all the battering and stuff. So getting a new one would actually be not always good. So you just get it cut, or you just get it done by yourself, because I actually do mine. I actually break all the rust and all that thing off of it. And it haven't been worn, but it looks like it was worn because of the dirt and all this. So this is what caused it. This is what it resulted. So basically, you would have all of these building up, all of these rust building up, and you think it's the metal that it's been grooved and whatever. It's not the metal; it's the dirt. So therefore, if I should use this brake pad again, it would actually work, but I have to rub it all the way down to get back a level surface, because I don't want it to be rubbing on my rotor like that. So I have to sand this down and get it even, or just change it. So I have a new one. I showed the new one. I purchased a new set. So this is what your new set would look like. Alright? So when you have the groove in that's the result. So this is what it should look like. Even the worn, it should go down very even, and until you reach the crease of that, it just go all the way down evenly. But if you have your rotor damaged, you won't get a good braking, you won't get a good result. So you basically have to check all of these things and make sure your brake system is working properly. Alright? So that's just a short clip, a short information for those who don't know. So you can go the long way, just buy a new one, put it on, or you can just fix your old one and get it up and running again. Alright, thank you for watching.